Let's discuss a couple ways to use AI tools to help you with interacting with R. So we had this data frame that we had read in, and it has these columns in it. One way you might use an AI model to help you is to ask for how to do a specific thing. So I'm going to use Microsoft Copilot here. You could use anything that you want. Let's ask a question. So if we say I have a data frame titled DF that has a column ROA, use dplyr in R to sort the column, provide the code. So I can tell it some things. What you need to do is be able to tell it enough to make it work. So this one says use dplyr, which we have covered. You need to have that in there. Create a new data set from data frame and sort it. So this turns out that this works just fine. So if we go over and run this, I've already read in the library here. It's part of the tidyverse, but we could have, for completeness, we could have this here. And this is the data frame. It's going to be sorted by ROA. We can look that currently it is not sorted by ROA. And we can run that. And now it is sorted by ROA with the lowest at the top. Okay, so that's one way, is just to ask for code. Let's introduce an error to sort of look at the another way. So if let's say I introduce a couple errors here, and you don't have to understand this at this point. In the next chapters, you're going to start using it. I just want you to understand the interaction with the AI help. So let's run this. Oh, I did this. Something didn't work. So I can copy and paste this. I have an error in R code. Can you explain step by step the errors? I'm going to copy and paste that in there. And it explains, I have this error here. Here are the problems. Now, can you correct the code? Now this is testing if it has this. Really, the part that matters is it has fixed it here. So the two ways that I think are most helpful: ask it for code. Of course, you need to understand the code if it's going to work. The other is ask it to explain an error. Finally, I forgot to mention the one other one. You could ask it for help in explaining the code. So I have R code. Can you explain it word by word? So this then will help you take the R code and explain step by step what is happening. So each of these are options to then apply to using AI models to help you understand things. There is one more level that if you integrate a GitHub Copilot with R, it can then also suggest code. So here, notice on the screen, it is suggesting code for me to have in there. So multiple options. I think the best thing you can do is start trying and use it in the best way that's useful for you.